welcome. Hyundai Motors, the car company which produces very reliable cars. Hyundai lately has been working on a new project car, and this will be a new Hyundai SUV category. While they have a mid-size SUV, that's the Hyundai Creta, and a sub 4 meter SUV which is the Hyundai Venue, they decided to launch a micro SUV. Yes guys, Hyundai Motors is making a car which will rival Tata's HBX, KUV 100 and Ignis. Hyundai has already revealed us the code name, and the name is AX1. The Hyundai AX1 will be sharing the Santros K1 platform and sharing the powertrain with the Grand i10 Nios. Starting from the engine, it may get a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo-aspirated petrol engine, which can get even a diesel option, and a 1.2-liter natural aspirated petrol and diesel engine. But for the turbo AX1, the price would be out of the budget according to the micro SUV buyers. There would also be a 5-speed manual transmission, and it can get an option for automated manual transmission, in short AMT. If I talk about the look, starting from the lights are just like the Venue's headlights, and the grille has a very muscular look. Coming to the side, first things first you notice is that the alloy wheels, which looks fantastic indeed. In fact, most of the cars from Hyundai, the alloys look fantastic. But for India, I guess there won't be this big alloys. The rear door handles are settled between the windows and the C-pillars. Now, at the side I found there are a few negatives. First of all, there are no roof rails. Come on, it's a micro SUV. There should be some SUV feeling. Second of all, the shark fin antenna is not available, which is okay to me according to that price point. Coming to the back, well, we can't see properly excluding the lights. All I can see are the tail lights and the reverse lights, which is placed down with the reflector. Now it's time to tell the bit where everyone will be waiting for, and it's the price. The price is likely to be 5 lakh to 8 lakhs. That was it for today guys. That was all the details. I'm telling you once again, the rivals are HBX, KUV 100 and the Ignis. So that was it for today. If you liked it, share it and subscribe this instant if you are new. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.